Today I'm making crock pot sweet and sour meatballs. These are tangy and they're sweet and they're sure to impress. So whether it's football, family night, or just a good excuse to snack, these meatballs always disappear fast. So let's get into it. We're going to dice one green pepper into chunks. Pour the juice from a 20-ounce can of pineapple chunks. Add in 1 cup of packed brown sugar to the pineapple juice, and we're going to mix both of those to combine it. Add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now let's add in 2/3 cup of vinegar. This is just regular white vinegar. And we're also going to add in 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Huh? Okay. Add 28-ounce bag of frozen meatballs to the crock pot. And we're also going to add in our diced chunks of green pepper. And we're going to add in the pineapple chunks from the 20-ounce can. We're going to pour our brown sugar mixture, the brown sugar, the vinegar, soy sauce, and cornstarch. We're going to pour that over the meatballs. Cover and let cook on low for 2 hours. After a couple of hours, we're going to stir again. We're going to stir the sauce over the meatballs. And we're going to switch our crock pot to high. And we're going to let this cook for an additional hour. Doing this will allow the sauce to thicken. The sauce should be thicker and bubbling around the edges when ready. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm wishing your team the best of luck on game day. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks. Bye-bye.